This text underwater effect is making waves. And if you want me to show you how simple it is to create this effect in Movavi, then let's dive in. Let's begin by adding a watery blue background. So over here under the Import tab, we'll select Backgrounds, and then real quick, let's grab this black background here and sink that down into our timeline like this. Now, of course, to make this background blue, let's take a dip into the More Tools icon, select Color Adjustments, and for a solid blue, let's drag the temperature slider all the way to the left like this. Then if we want to brighten it up a bit, we can float up to the brightness adjustment and start sliding it over to the right. That looks pretty good. I'll leave it right there. Okay, now that we got a nice blue background, the next thing we need to do is add some text. So over here, let's click on the Titles tab, and then under Basic, let's find Simple Text and drop that right above our blue background. For this example, I'll quickly come up here to the text box and key in Underwater. Now I want this to be really visible, so I'm going to increase the font size to 250. Then over here in the preview window, I'll reposition the text as needed. Next, why don't we change the font style to something that looks a little more aquatic? There we go, that's perfect. Okay, once we have our text the way we like it, the next step is to take a quick snapshot by clicking this little camera icon under the preview window right here. Once we have our snapshot saved, we can clean up our timeline by deleting the text and background clips. Now the fun part. Let's head up to the Import tab, select File Import, and then click Add Files to find and import our snapshot. Once we have our snapshot imported back into our media bin, let's grab it and drop it into the timeline like this. Okay, now it's time to add some water. To do this, let's go up here and click on the Filters icon, select Smart, and then over in the gallery, let's grab the Water Ripple filter and pour that on our clip like this. This filter can be downloaded for free with Movavi Unlimited 2022, and it's also available in an effect pack. So if you don't have it yet, I'll leave a link with a discount down in the description, so you can go check it out. Okay, now that we have the Water Ripple added, let's see how it looks. Now just to add a little more depth to this effect, I'm going to head back up to the Filters, and in the Adjustment tab, I'm going to grab Fisheye Magnify and dump that onto the clip as well. And here's what that'll look like. I love it. Now, to really sell this effect, I'm going to add some kind of splashy, watery sound. Up here in the media bin is a sound effect that I got for free from Zapsplat, and I'll leave all that info down in the description. Okay, let's take this sound effect out of the media bin and add this to the audio track just below our clip like this. Now by adjusting the audio to fit your specific needs, you'll have an outstanding underwater text effect. Oh, and if you like this effect, then you gotta click this video right here. These text effects will blow your mind. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you over there. If you want me to show you how to create this, then you gotta click this. These text effects will blow your mind. These text effects will blow your mind. These text effects will blow your mind.